Welcome to Viral Moolah, the same app we use to generate $2,495.31 per day in passive income. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 4 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do and start enjoying your piece of that huge pie, starting today. Step 1. Research. What I'm about to show you is considered to be an untapped source you haven't seen before, even if you are an advanced marketer. When it comes to sharing highly valuable data for marketing purposes, one of the most transparent social platforms is Pinterest. Pinterest has an outstanding tool called Pinterest Predicts, which you can access right away by clicking on the Research tab inside your Viral Moolah dashboard, and we will show you step by step how to use this awesome smoking hot research platform inside the Viral Moolah VIP training. Step 2. Connect. Viral Moolah connects your website in seconds with just a few clicks. You simply need to click on Add Website. Add the site title and site URL and click on the Add button. And that's it. And if you don't have a website just yet, we have you covered on that too, because we will provide you with a done-for-you template you will use to create your clean, professional-looking, traffic-pulling, and affiliate profit-generating website in the niche of your choice in just minutes and with just a few clicks, saving you a ton of time and money. Step 3. Post. Viral Moolah has been prepared to create traffic-pulling and profit-generating content in seconds. Here, you can add your post title. Here go the post tags. Here you can add your featured image. And here you can add your post content. Here you can select your website. Decide post status. Select an existing category or create a new one. And here you have 3 different ways to add advertising media in your post, especially for adding your affiliate links. You can add HTML code, add a banner, and add a call to action text. And you can decide to add it on top or in the bottom of the post content. And finally, create your post. Awesome! The post has been created. Let's take a look at it. And there you have it. This looks just awesome. There you see the featured image, the post title, the post content, and the 3 different ads I decided to place around my content. And I created all this awesome profit-generating content exclusively with Viral Moolah. And this is more than ready to send some profit-pulling traffic to it, right? Viral Moolah got you covered on that as well. Step 4. Advertise. Viral Moolah lets you place your blog in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. We have designed a traffic engine which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds, of trendy images people are liking so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the affiliate offer you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder and lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with Viral Moolah the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use the same app we use to generate $2,495.31 per day in passive income in any niche of your choice, then try Viral Moolah today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.